Welcome to the class, my dear students. In today's lecture, I am going to explain how to find out the dot product and how to find the cross product of the two vectors. So now, what is the vector A and B are given? Find the angle between A and B also. So first problem is like this. So what is the angle between the two vectors? Cosine theta is the angle between the two vectors is given by A dot B over mod A multiplied by mod B. This is what the formula you know already. So what is the dot product of these two vectors? A dot B is given by 6 times of 3 plus 3 times of minus 2 plus minus 1 times of 5. What you have done here, just 6 is the I component in B is 3. So 6 into 3 is the first one, 3 into minus 2, minus 1 into 5. Like this you have to find out. Now what is this? This is 18 minus 6 minus 5. So it is 7. A dot B is 7. Now what is mod A? Let us find out. Mod A is given by square root of 6 square plus 3 square plus minus 1 the whole square. So that is 36 plus 9 plus 1. So it is 46, square root of 46. Now what is the length of the vector B? Is given by square root of 3 square plus minus 2 the whole square plus 5 square. So that is 9 plus 4 plus 25. That is given by square root of 38. So what is the angle between the two vectors is given by cosine theta is A dot B is 7 over modulus of A is 46 and mod B is root 38. So what is the angle if I ask? It is cosine inverse of 7 over root over 46 times of root over 38. So this is what the angle between the two vectors. You can use this using the calculator something. The value, the angle theta is approximately equal to 80.4 degrees. Okay. So this is what the angle between the two vectors to find out. So next question on this angle only. Let us see if the angle, the vector mod A is given as suppose 5 units and mod B is given as 2 units and the angle between them is theta and what is the angle is 45 degrees. Then find the dot product of A and B. Find the dot product or scalar product, we say the dot product of A and B. So he has not given you what is the dot product. So we have to find out what is the angle. So what is the cosine theta is given by A dot B over mod A into mod B. Now you don't know what is A dot B, so keep it like this. A dot B by mod A is 5, mod B is 2. So 5 into 2. And what is cosine of 45 degrees? Cosine of 45 degrees. So that implies what? A dot B is equal to cosine of 45 degrees is 1 over root 2. So 1 over root 2 times of A dot B is equal to 1 over root 2 times of 5 into 2. So that is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 is your A dot B. I hope it is clear. A dot B means this is what the way to find out. And then find the dot product means the I component, J component, like that you have to say, and then do the products. Now let us now go to the what is the some vectors which are, let us say now, let us go to do the next problem. If A bar is given by 3i plus 2j minus 3k, and b bar is given by 4i minus 3j plus 2k. So find a dot b. So what is the dot product? A dot b is given by 3 into 4 plus 2 into minus 3 plus minus 3 into 2. So that is 12 minus 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. Therefore, what you can say now, the dot product A dot B is equal to 0. Here there is an important point and note. I am about to note now. If the dot product of any two vectors is 0, then A is perpendicular to B. Dot product of any two vectors is 0, suppose, then A is perpendicular to B. That is what the important note, that whenever the dot product is 0, you can say that the angle between them is 90 degrees. This is what the understanding. So it implies that the angle between them is 90 degrees. Okay. Now let us take one more problem and find the angle between the two vectors. Suppose, what is the, find the angle between the two vectors. A bar is given by I plus j minus k, and B bar is given by 4i minus 3j minus 2k. So now what is the angle? Cosine theta is given by A dot B by mod A times of mod B. So that is I component is 1, I component is 4. So it is 4. And then plus into minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 over mod A 1 plus 1 square plus 1 square under root minus 1 the whole square, which is 1 square itself, into square root of 4 square 16 plus minus 3 the whole square 9 plus minus 2 the whole square. So that gives you cosine of the angle is what? Cosine theta is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 2 is 3 by root 3 times of, what is this value? 16 plus 9 plus 4. That is, this is 9, this is 4 plus 16. So it is 29, square root of 29. Cosine theta is 3 by root 3 into 29. So what is theta? Cosine inverse of 3 by root 3 into root over 29. So this is what the angle between the two vectors. I hope you could understand. Now I am going to enter into the cross product of any two vectors.